Okay, we're back again to look at the next piece. We have looked at the increasing energy levels and the increasing energy of the sublevel types, and how as you increase this way and increase energy this way, they begin to overlap each other, so that after the 3D, you actually get a 4P and then a 5S before you get a 4D and a 5P and a 6S and so forth. We've looked at the idea of Hund's rule and blackjack, explaining the fact that before you put a second electron into any of the orbitals, you're not going to put a second electron in until every orbital of a given sublevel already has one. So putting these two things together, we're going to start to look at how exactly do these electrons pack in to these different atoms. Okay? Let's start with lithium. If you look at lithium on your periodic table, and I would recommend that you get your periodic table out so that you can look at it as we go along here. It would be very helpful. Lithium has 3 electrons. Okay? So, how's that going to work? First energy level. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So, the electron configuration for lithium is 1s2, energy level, number of electrons. 2s, 1. 2 in the first, 2 electrons in the 1s, 1 electron in the 2s for a total of 3 electrons. Okay? Let's look at silicon. Okay? Silicon has 14 electrons. So we're going to keep filling until we get to 14 electrons. So we've got 1s2, 2s2. Now we come to the P. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. How many do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We need 2 more. So that's going to be 1, 2. Right? Hund's rule. Hund's rule. Okay? So that's going to give us 1s2, 2s2, 3s, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p2. What do we have? 2, 4, 10, 12, 14. And we have 2 unpaired electrons. Notice that? Let's go down to calcium. Okay? We've got 2 in the 1s, 2 in the 2s. We've got 6 in the 2p. 3s, we have 2. 3p, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay? So that means our electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20. Okay? Now, let's try another one. Chromium, 24. Okay? So we've got 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and we need 4 more electrons because this is 20, this is 24. What's going to happen? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And so that's going to give us 20, 24. We've added 4 more, so we've got 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. And how many unpaired electrons do we have? We have 4 unpaired electrons. Instead of having 2 sets of paired electrons, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we ran out of electrons. Okay? So the blackjack dealer was dealing along and he ran out of cards. So we have 4 unpaired electrons. And that's how we write our electron configurations.